In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your Discord profile link. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But having your Discord profile link is super useful because you can obviously share it with others and they can click to quickly add you. But first, obviously go ahead and open up Discord and go to the bottom left corner and you're going to see a user settings option. Within here, go ahead and select it and then scroll down on this option. And I have streamer mode on right now. Let me go ahead and actually turn that off. But scroll down on this left sidebar until you see this app settings section right here. Hit advanced, and what you're going to want to do is tick on developer mode. Once you have developer mode, you can go ahead and close out of these settings, and from here go to literally any chat or any server where you've sent a message. For example, this one right here. Right click on your username, and then you're going to have the option to copy user ID, and from here you can just paste it anywhere, and that's going to be your user ID. Now what I would recommend doing if you want a direct link is just typing in https://discordapp.com/users and then do another slash, and that link right here will directly take people to your profile if they paste it in like a web browser or whatnot, just like so. But yeah, really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.